Hello. In this video, you will learn about the Proficonf design changes. The visual appearance will be changed for the account settings, meetings, files, and upgrade sections. After you sign up or log in, you will be redirected to the meetings section, the social section in Proficonf. In the upper left corner, you will find the name of your personal account. Click on this section and you can create a Workspace account. You can invite any number of hosts to conduct simultaneous events and recordings, and integrate Proficonf into any website or app. Switch between your personal account and your Workspace account. Sign out of your account by clicking on the Sign Out button. Next is the Meetings section, where you can create an instant, scheduled, or permanent meeting. All of the meetings you've created will display in the upcoming if they haven't started yet, past for completed meetings, and permanent for permanent rooms. To create an instant meeting, click the Start button. To create a scheduled or permanent meeting, click the Schedule button, fill in all fields you need in the form, and then click Create. To enter the conference room, press the Enter the Room button. To edit or delete a meeting, click on the name of the meeting and the form of the editing will open on the right. After you edit, click the Save button. To delete a meeting, click the Delete Meeting. To copy and share the link, click the Copy Link button. In the Files section, you can upload any files beforehand. Click Upload to select a file and confirm. Also, you can download files or move to the Files bin and delete them. Select the file you want by placing a checkmark to the left of its name in the form. On the right side of the file preview form, click Download to download or Move to Bin to delete. To purchase Pro and Premium plans and add-ons, click on the Upgrade button. You will be redirected to the billing page. Select a plan and add-ons and click the Pay button. To return to the previous meetings section, click on the Proficonf logo button in the upper left corner. To go to the account settings, press the Account Settings button. You can upload a profile picture. To do this, click Upload, select the file and confirm. To change your personal account information, click Change and edit the data. To change the email or password, press the Send button, and emails with instructions will be sent. You can change the language. Interfaces are available in English, Russian, Portuguese, Brazilian, Spanish, and Italian. Also, you can link your favorite social network's profile to log in. Click the Sign Out button to sign out of your account. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.